What's going on, guys? Jeremy here with Accudraft, and I'm going to talk to you today about floor filters. Now, I know this is probably not a discussion that a lot of people want to have, and being a painter, I understand. It gets talked about too much in the shops, and we tend to push it off. The issues that come from pushing it off are the issues that I've talked about in previous videos. You can actually cause premature wear from overspray building up on fans. You know, they're having to turn faster, they're going to wear out parts. All of this stuff builds up over time, and it can be a really costly repair in the end for just taking about 30 minutes to doing your filters. So I want to talk to you just real quick about a couple of things, guys. Regular fiberglass filters, there's a couple different styles that you have, and you can put them in your booth, and that's fine. One thing I want to stress, just because it's something that I've seen, is whenever you get into the baffling, now this is our even flow system that you see down here below. Whenever you get into the baffling, don't mess with your baffling, guys. The booth has been balanced whenever it was originally put in. Once you start messing with that, you're going to start noticing the air distribution is going to be different because of where the suction is for the tunnel up underneath for your pit. Leave it alone, and even if it's going to be something that you're going to take care of whenever you go to clean, one tip of advice I can give for you is when you pull all your filters and grates out, just take a couple pictures or a video just showing where all of your baffling is, so you can get it pretty much back to where it was. Now, guys, filters load up, you're going to have 50 to 60, 70 hours on them. You know, it's something that you need to change at least minimum every 2 weeks. If you're a production shop, it just helps keep the jobs moving through. You're not having to deal with dieback, solvent pop issues because the solvents can't escape. Everything just gets stuck once these filters get clogged up. There are so many things can be attributed just to bad filters, and it's not just related to buffing. So, guys, simply put, change out your filters. The grates are galvanized steel, very easy to slide over, put into the racks. Everything is designed to work with each other and just go right in place. Change out your filters, guys. Rule number one, paint booth maintenance, change your filters.